HEMPBLOCK USA is bringing all natural building products to the US. We present a scenario where everyone wins. The builder, their clients, our business, investors, and most importantly, our environment.
We love our planet and need to take care of her. The pathway is provided by one of the oldest cultivated plants on Earth, hemp. Finally, the stigma over hemp is fading as products made of this ancient plant are becoming widely accepted around the globe. Hemp is a fast-growing rotation crop. It provides medicine, food, plastics, fibers for clothing, rope, interior panels for the car you're driving in, and building materials like HEMPBLOCK.
With over 30 years in the construction industry, 15 years of international experience in hemp building, more than a decade of testing and R&D, we found a solution to provide everyone with a quality wall construction product that is natural, long-lasting, economic, and performs like it should.
We offer two HEMPBLOCK construction systems. One's the HP series that is used as an infill, used with mortar, for partition walls and as a veneer.
And then we've got our LB300, our load-bearing system, which encases the load-bearing system in these holes that carry the roof loads.
The load-bearing system is created by either steel-reinforced concrete or an innovative steel post and timber beam system that is screwed and bolted together, fast and simple, supplied as a kit. These tested and engineered products are ready to be produced in the US with hemp grown by US farmers.
1,000 hectares of industrial hemp will be able to create 2,000 homes that will sequester an average of 25 meter tons, making the home carbon negative.
Our plan is to spread out a number of factories across the USA while we continue to import our product.
We want to give you the opportunity to engage actively in creating America's most carbon negative building material. We know you want to be part of this journey and we look forward to having you as partners building our sustainable future.